Hey friends, if you wish to disable choose an operating system at startup window, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So basically, if you have multiple operating systems installed on your computer, you will get an option to choose an operating system. But if you want to fix it at a particular Windows, let's say Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now here's what you have to do. Search for advanced system settings in the Windows search bar and click on view advanced system settings. Under advanced, click on settings under startup and recovery. Now select the operating system you want. I'll select Windows 11 and uncheck this box. Time to display the list of operating systems. Okay. Even if it was checked, it would disappear in 30 seconds, but those 30 seconds will be annoying. So uncheck this, click on OK, apply, and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.